Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about blending images into any background, just like this. If you are new to this channel, like, comment, subscribe, and of course turn on the notification bell. Resources link are in the description, so let's get started. Alright guys, so I'll be showing you how to blend any image of your choice into any background in Pixallab using your Pixallab app. How to do that? So this is it. So first of all, we have to input my background. So let me get my background. So this is the background I'll be using. Okay, this is it. Now the second thing is for me to input my image. Now the image should be an image with a transparent background. I made a video on how to erase image background using background eraser. So the video is in my channel. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, you can subscribe. So you go to the video, you can watch that. Or there is also another way. This is a new way actually. I recently discovered it, how to erase background with just one click. You don't have to do any work. You just upload your image and the thing is auto click, so your image background will just be erased just like that, and you can download the transparent. So if you want that, you can ask in the comment section and I'll make that video for you. So you can ask in the comment section. If I get up to 15-20 people, then I'll do that. I'll make that video for you. So now let's continue. So back to my image. Alright, this is my image. You can see the image is has a transparent background. So now to blend this image to this background is very easy. Just flow. Now go to your shapes, pick your shape tool, pick your square, go down to the color, go to gradients, then you click on black and white. Click on black and white, click on this plus icon, you click on the black, then scroll it down to transparency. Alright, okay, this is it. So now you have to adjust it and ensure while doing this is actually straight. Okay, still not straight enough. I need to make it straight. Alright, so this is it. So the next thing is for you to go down to the color, go to your color, then you can click on the background color. See that? So once you are done with this, just move it down like this. Before that, just move it down. You can see. So you can copy. You can copy. If you want to copy, you can duplicate it as many as you want. So this is it. So this is it. Is as simple as this. Is as simple as this. So this is how you blend your image into any background of your choice. This is how you blend your image. You can duplicate it as much as you want. This is it. So that's all for this. That's all for today's video tutorial. If you are new to our channel, kindly subscribe. Alright, now I'll go ahead and save